Pratyahara. What Pratyahara means? Come on, say. Now, if you say withdraw your senses and live in the world, it's not possible. Patanjali says when you meditate, you should learn to withdraw your senses during that time. And then you will have control. And then whenever you want to withdraw your senses, what do the senses do? Why senses should be withdrawn? What bad are they doing? Come on. How? Mind has 10 agencies to work with. So when mind wants to work in the external world, it uses 10 agencies, 5 gross and 5 subtle senses. By withdrawing means by isolating by not functioning with the 10 agencies. Still the problem is not over. Whatever you have done before, all the impressions are stored in the back mind, which is called unconscious mind. For conscious mind is a small part of the totality of your mind. Now, suppose suddenly you come to me and catch hold of my hand. What is the duty of my whole being? To protect that hand. When you are trying to cultivate and culture the small part of your mind, what happens to unconscious mind? It becomes very active. During that time you need guidance. If you are not guided during that time, you cannot go ahead. It is happening with everybody. You are trying. Suppose I am a little girl from college. I had a very good boyfriend. That is over. I got married to a very handsome, healthy man whom I loved and liked, prince of my life. I am meditating. Suddenly, the impression of my boyfriend, which is in the storehouse memory, came forward. I said, hello, how are you? You know that I am married? He said, no. You know, I still like you, you're a good friend. He said, but I love you. You waste your time, yet your loyalty towards your husband is not there. And it repeats again and again. You might even land towards divorce. It's stirring something. When you stir something, you have to be very careful. There you use a point to let go. Here you have to use 2 things. Determination. Today I am meditating, no power on the earth, from outside, from inside, has power to disturb me. I don't want to disturb. Who are you to disturb me? There was a time when, I used to be in the cave and I was very mischievous. I used to disturb Swami. Everybody closed their eyes and there was none to play with me. So I got fed up. So I would insert my finger in somebody's nose, make, this, and do like this, and keep quiet. I had to play some mischief. So one day Swami took me outside and gave me caning. I started crying. Other Swami say, you don't have right to beat, get out of this. Why did you beat up him? He was kicked out of the... But then I didn't leave that bad habit. See? It was because I'm a child and everybody was matured, they used to sleep. So finally I disturbed my master. And I wrote on his shoulder and I said, what is this? You close your eyes all the time? Play with me. And he put me in his lap, my leg this side, my face on the chest, and started meditating. I can tell you, I don't know what happened to me. I didn't know. I was not sleeping. And I longed for that. hug for that, for that period. And every day I asked him, I would sit down, putting my hand and put. He said, not now, when I meditate then. What does it mean? It means when you are in meditation, whether it is perfect or not, it helps even animals. Children are like animals. Even cat, animals. That is why the sutra says, Ahimsa pratisthayam tat sannido vairtyaga. You don't walk in front of the animals, say, I am never killed. Animals will kill you. There's swabha. But when you are in meditation, you emanate so much power because you have attained the state of equilibrium where you are in touch with the center of love which is flowing equally for all. Then you have nothing, no ahimsa. For that period it is said, ahimsa pratisthayam tat sannido vairtyaga. Not for all the time. I say ahimsa pratisthayam and I insert my hand in snake's, hole. You bite. If a snake does not bite, it's not doing its duty. When you are in meditation, trying to do meditation, you are safe, you are best, you are fully protected by that mind which says, body is in the mind, but whole of mind is not in the body. In the forest, when we are all alone and suddenly at night we have to go through the forest which is full of cobras and tigers and bears, what they teach us? They teach us to create a ring of the light around us. How do we do that? By bringing forward that mind, which is not only in the body, but which is outside the body. And no animal can come near you. You will have a shock. When you are in deep meditation, ask, really you have achieved something. If somebody touches you, like with the finger, that person will have shock. That is a sign and symptom of a deep meditation. That can be recorded. Another sign and symptom is this. So in Detroit, I've not forgotten that story. In the conference, I said, can you tell me how you meditate and I want to become your disciple? So that Mr. Black, he was a businessman. He said, yes, you can become my disciple, I will teach you. I said, what happens to you, sir, when you meditate? First give me some glimpse. He said, when you are in meditation, you don't have body consciousness. You forget the world. I said, thank you. I need it and I want to become your disciple. I said, can you demonstrate? A guru should demonstrate. Then you learn. He sat down. So I told Dr. Baker, I said, get burning charcoal. He said, Swami, in this country, charcoal is not burnt. I said, just give me something which burns. He said, I will bring just now. He rushed and did not bring anything. I said, put it over his head. He opened his eye. Why are you doing this to me? I said, but you were in meditation. How did you know what I was doing today? That method, which still makes you aware of the world, is not perfect. It means you have not. Few minutes, few seconds, you should be completely away from body consciousness of the world. Those moments are very good for health, will increase your longevity of life. Withdrawing of the senses will voluntarily isolate your mind, help you in concentration.